Hello guys, hello everyone, how are you? I'm Taynara Fernandes, as you know, and I'm here for the last time to talk about production management and the production planning control, or PPC. This subject is present in my course, Business Administration, and in my life too, because nowadays I'm intern of production planning in a big company in my city. So I'm going to present for you some definitions and other examples about this subject. Okay? So let's go. First of all, what is production management? Production management, as shown in this board, is the process of effective planning for transformation, raw materials, and finished products or finished goods. Okay? This transformation, raw materials and finished goods, involves quality, speed, efficiency, and cost. And these words and other words about production management affect the customers. And as you know, the customers is the target, is the goals of the company. Okay? As I said, this transformation, raw materials and finished goods, again, it's a process. So the manager needs to manage the process too, not only the production, right? So what is process management? The process is a collection of tasks and activities that produce a specific product or services for a customer. So the customer appears here again. So the customer is more important for the company. Okay. So I will say now other definition about production management. That is production planning control. By the way, it's the name of this video, okay? It's the name of my work too. So production planning. Answer these questions: what to produce, how to produce, and when to produce. What to produce involves choosing the product will be produced first compared another product. Can you understand me? In other words, what to produce is the choice. What product will be produced in the first time, in the first compared another product. Okay? The next is how to produce. How to produce involves how the product will be produced. In other words, which ways the product will be produced. Okay? The next question is, and the last question is the when to produce. When to produce, basically, it's putting the date for to start the production, for production of the product. Okay? Basically, is the put of the date, initial date, and the final date. Okay? Here we have the manufacturer schedule. These are very important for the planners and the customers and the internal customers, for all, for everyone. So this manufacturer schedule, the manufacturer schedule have the initial date and the final date, as I said. Okay? So we have the phases of the production, we have the date, the initial date and the final date. Okay? Now I'm going to present other definitions about the production planning or production management. Okay? The next is order. What is production order. The production order, is an order issued within a company to produce a specific quantity of materials within a certain time frame. What does it mean? Yeah? What does it mean? Production order in my work, for example, is a report for me and other guys what materials and time it will necessary to produce a specific product for a customer. Okay, to control this order, to control production and production order, it's very important because directly affected the customers, not final cost only, not just final cost, but suppliers, internal cost, the other planners. Okay, so it's very important. And again, in this board, we have the example about order in a system, SAP. Okay. The next definition is about cycle time and lead time. Cycle time is the amount of time that the team spend actually work on this item. What does it mean? Basically, cycle time is the short time that since manufacture begins until manufacture ends. Okay, so we can say the cycle time is the real time of the production. Okay, and the lead time measures the time elapsed between order and delivered. Does it measure our production process from your customer's perspective? Okay, lead time is a big time, including cycle time. Okay, so lead time begins with work received or customer required until the product delivered. Okay, and the next is taxi time. Taxi time is the average time between the start of production of one unit and the start of production of the next unit. Okay, when this production starts are set to match the rate of customer demand. Okay, taxi time is the time between the start one unit, the start of production one unit, until the start of production the next unit. Okay, in this function we have the definition, we have the division about taxi time, that is production time available for quantity of output required. Okay, so in other words, taxi time is the time for the production one unit. Okay, in lean, taxi time is the rate at which a finished product needs to be complete in order to meet customer demand. Okay, so guys, I'm finished this video, and I hope that you have learned everything with this subject. Okay, because this subject is very important nowadays. It's very important, and for me it's very interesting. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye, see you. See you.